Welcome to Highway Legends. Today we're turning our attention to one of the most thrilling supersport machines in the lightweight performance category, the 2026 KTM RC 390. Renowned for its razor-sharp handling and track-inspired DNA, the RC 390 continues to push boundaries for riders who demand speed, agility, and precision. The 2026 model refines this legacy with improved aerodynamics, advanced tech, and a heart-pounding riding experience. Let's see what makes this new RC a true racetrack beast. Design and aesthetics. The 2026 KTM RC 390 brings a race-ready stance with aggressive bodywork and a redesigned aerodynamic fairing. The sharper LED headlight setup and integrated turn indicators add a sleek, futuristic appeal. Lightweight materials and a reworked subframe make the bike leaner and more agile, while new color schemes inspired by KTM's MotoGP liveries highlight its racing pedigree. Every curve and contour of the RC 390 screams performance and precision. Performance and powertrain. At its core, the new RC 390 houses a refined 399 cubic centimeters single-cylinder, liquid-cooled engine delivering a noticeable bump in power and torque. The 6-speed gearbox, assisted by a quick shifter and slipper clutch, ensures smooth transitions and rapid acceleration. The upgraded ride-by-wire throttle provides better response, while the lightweight trellis frame and WP Apex suspension guarantee exceptional handling on both road and track. With improved weight distribution, the 2026 RC 390 offers a thrilling mix of control and speed. Safety and technology. KTM has loaded the 2026 RC 390 with top-tier safety and tech features. It comes with a larger TFT color display offering Bluetooth connectivity for calls, navigation, and music. Dual-channel ABS with Supermoto mode, traction control, and cornering ABS ensure maximum safety and confidence in tight corners or during sudden stops. The improved braking setup delivers superior bite and stability, giving riders full control at high speeds. Conclusion. The 2026 KTM RC 390 takes performance biking to the next level with its aerodynamic design, powerful engine, and advanced electronics. It's a perfect blend of racing spirit and everyday practicality, crafted for those who live for the thrill of the ride. Whether you're attacking corners on a racetrack or cruising city roads, the RC 390 delivers pure, focused excitement. Stay tuned to Highway Legends for more updates, reviews, and first looks at the bike's redefining speed and style.